So just at H.J Pughs auction centre for the motorcycle auction, which is this Friday and Saturday, but on the 6th of December they've got these Defenders going through and they are all absolutely immaculate. But I'm not here to look at those today, we're here to look at motorbikes. So the motorbike auction is this Friday and Saturday. There is a vast selection of bikes and a vast selection of parts. So if you're looking for something for a project, or you have a project and you need some parts, there's pretty much everything here. Tanks, frames, axle housings, gearboxes, manuals, wheels, tyres, more tanks, more frames, engines, gearboxes, fairings. Yeah. And the Augusta tank. Massive selection of project bikes as well. These are some of the bikes he got in his projects. Ready for restoration. Frames. There's a significant amount. Try and cut through. Oh, Yamaha's lovely. Walk up through here. Vespas. Someone was building a cafe racer. Velas at Barnfind. A few Harleys, Husqvarnas at the back. And then
we haven't seen it running.
they got 3 rooms of classic bikes up for auction. This RG500 is lovely. RD350, but tucked away there. There's a lovely TZR 125. And then you've got the NS 125 there as well. I'm interested in both of those. They always seem to put the sports bikes over on this side. Makes it easier.
I don't know, so I'm not because I see the 160, tanks being wide, might be the only one left.
collection is around 300 bikes going through on Saturday. Trials and scramblers. Enduros.
She went mental because she stood there and left her stranded. And Tom hadn't put any oil in the bloody thing.
Optional extra.
If you're looking for a little toy over the winter months, check out their website because they have got a vast selection of bikes going through. TZR. Might see how much that goes for. Yeah, see.
Oh yes, yeah, that footstool. That's it, yes.
Here are a few people saying that the market on the classic bikes is dropping out. A lot of the bikes are being shipped back from America on the British bikes, fetching slightly more over here than what they are there. Lovely matchless. As you can see, there's no end of bikes. The problem is, like, my generation and younger just aren't interested in these older 50s and 60s bikes, upkeep, maintenance, kickstarts. Bikes of our childhood was 80s, 90s, two strokes. Great selection of Honda Trials. Got them Hanks. That one. Celsius. Try and squeeze our way in here to show you. Might be easier to go down the other way actually. These are more projects in here. KTM. Old Hondas. More Guzzies. .4 to be going through on the classic car auction in December. Rickman, which is Matisse. Rickman and Matisse actually turned around to making sports cars for a little while, based on Fords. So there are some incredibly rare bikes here as well. Parts getting. BSA's Velocets. Really nice rudge down here, there it is. It's lovely. Something a bit of fun, little trike. I think they got banned at one time for rolling over. So no, quick look. There you go, there's that RG 500. It's lovely. Just take you through quickly. Have a look up in the top.
It is, yeah. It was a little bit of a gimmick type thing, you know.
Lovely scrambler. A few up in here. Bit tightly parked as always. Again, these are more needing a little bit of TLC up in here. Nice XT on the end. Matchless. Emmy Augusta and a Beta. XT.
Oh, mine, Matt. You got it. Mine is 90.
Legend 900. Onomatic 400. A couple of Matisses. And I don't think I'm going to squeeze. Hey, so I'm not going to squeeze down that row. Our oxen filler bits. And C90s.
Some of them might sell the cases. Yes, it's still got the.
CB. And then got some of these here, which are all waiting for, I believe, January auctions. So, right, I'm going to end this one off here. I'll catch you next time.